Y'all some clown ass niggas, man. Who's some clown ass niggas?
Going now to pick up a package. Going on this for a little bit now. There's a TikTok shop order. I'll say it again, TikTok takes all my money.
Why you mad, bro?
You know why I'm mad. Why are you wearing that?
What's wrong with it, man? If Kanye can wear it, I can wear it too.
It's hot in my room and I'm not turning my fan off. So, TikTok. Just something to know about me. I cannot wear like normal earbuds because A, they slip out, and B, they hurt my ears. Like, I don't know what it is, but I have some of these waxiest ears. Like, I remember being in school and people would like be like, oh, listen to this real quick. I would hover it out my ear because I'm not trying to be handed a perfectly clean earbud and then giving you something with my earwax on it. That's disgusting. And I'm not humiliating myself like that. So what I was seeing on TikTok for like a good couple months now is everyone talking about these that go, it's the outside of your ears. So, you know, for someone like me who cannot stand, and when I say cannot stand, I mean cannot stand having earbuds in, just gonna see how this goes. 7 plus 21 hours playtime. What, 7? What does this mean? 7 plus 21 hours.
The math isn't mathematicking. What?
Is that like 7 days a week for 21 hours? Is y'all? There she is. And then at the bottom, you just get the charger and the instructions. I'm gonna talk a little bit louder so you can hear me. Everyone in the house is probably gonna hear me too. But I mean, they watch my videos. So this is the case. Yes! Look at her. Cute.
Period. Period. Period.
They are. In all their glory. They're actually really cool. We pull out our handy dandy phones. These earbuds be having such a unique name, bro. How they look. This is the part that goes near your ear, and then this part goes on the outside. This one's for my right ear. Yeah. I'm actually gonna put both of them on. Immerse. It's like, it fits this one fine, and then this one wanna be acting all types of special.
Go crazy! Go stupid! Go crazy!
They're not going anywhere. Not me being offline. Get online.
It's a chicken salad.
Alright, I got it. I mean, considering the type, actually, now that I speak, they're really loud, but they're obviously, it's not going to be as loud as if it was actually like in your ear, but let's see. And unless they're up next to your ear, you're not hearing anything. So, for those of us who wear earbuds at work, focus. Yes, no.
You might as well about getting open the door.
Ready to get your ears pierced? Oh wait, so we'll help me do that one here.
I'm the awkward stage of my hair.
What when they're short? I mean, people have looked worse. He's trying to say that his things ain't grown in yet, but there are people who have looked worse. Afterthoughts. Oh, look. About to go find my mom. She's somewhere in the store. Should I say which spot should I go exactly, or just Mrs.? That's the whole store. Found these that are last act. They're actually not too bad. They're size 10s though. I mean, I'm currently wearing size 11, so it wouldn't make that much of a difference. Because it's last act, final sale. That's not bad for some young Calvin Kleins. They have sometimes I really wish I could wear heels. These are simple, and is that I have flat feet. And these are so damn narrow. Because these are nice, kind of, not really. I'm just not realizing that they kind of look grainy-ish. Never mind. See, I'm looking for anything that's yellow tagged because it's final sale and it's like full discount. But it has to have like multiple of them. I can't just go with one. Like, you see how that yellow sale is $140, but then let's see. But then you'll have like these ones that are a hell of a lot cheaper. Yeah, I'm looking for the cheap ones. Could you see me walking around with this? Could you see me walking around with this? He said I couldn't pull it off. You see, that's exactly what happened when you brand yourself as a tomboy. They can't see you girly. See, because right, I was looking at that one and then the one that went behind him. But them things are like, they're like one, not these, those. Those are like 168. Hi. Because right, I'm trying to, does this come with it? Hold on, am I seeing correctly or does that say $49.70? Hold on.
It says.
That what it say, right?
It says, yeah.
I mean, we can both go clean, but then I get both. No, but mom, right. This is on sale for $49 something. I gotta get two of them. You get both of them there together. Really? Yeah. And I was like, because I think about like school bag or this, because I just think the laptop and like one notebook, and this would are good. Yeah, because say one next 1 year, so but this one in the markdown and at 99 feet.
So check it, then if you check it and make sure.
Yeah, where's the because if it's actually marked down, I'm getting it.
Yeah, because that would be a good deal.
Hey, so I feel like I went for multiple days at a time to put them in one vlog unless like something majorly happens, just to kind of, you know, whatever, just show y'all what I got at the mall. And then I got an Amazon package. I already opened it because I needed to see it first. Where's my bonnet? Be able to hear this music currently being played outside my window because there's a party happening somewhere Like, it should be low enough to where when I put like my own stuff over it, it won't be that big of an issue. But in the case that you can hear it, I'm gonna just mute everything and then do a voiceover, because I'm not running the risk. I'm not. Macy's. Now, you might be looking at me like, what's she doing with that? Listen, okay? I might not know how to dress, but I still have a sense of, like, I still like things, okay? I go back to school in September. I know a lot of y'all are, I'm not here talking like I have a big fan base, but like, when I do pop off, there are going to be people watching me. So I'm going to speak it into existence, yeah? I know a lot of you young tater tots are just leaving school and no one to hear anything about it. I don't care. I took a gap year, haven't been in school for a year. I'm entering my school season now. So, that's tough. It's 2-1. 2-1. Y'all see that? I got a $100 bag, $49. I always find the deals. Always. The most I'm gonna need to carry is like my laptop and a notebook. And if I have to carry any textbooks, they're being held in my hand. I'm not planning on carrying anything major. There's the other purse that comes with it. There's no like pockets or anything on the inside. It's just a simple cream purse that I can kind of just like, you know, carry around with me if like I really don't need like anything on me and I just want to like throw stuff in here. Now on to the big girl. So what she look like. So it has the 2 pouches over here and then it has a zip part here. Just for reference, this is my laptop. It's a Chromebook, and she got more than enough space in there. There you go. School bag secured. 3 of the Clinique. This is the Black Honey Pop Creamy Lip Gloss. We'll see about that. Simple packaging. Nothing special. Oh, a lock came out on this one. There you go. For all you beauty people. I feel like it looks more brown on camera than it does in real life. Let's try her out. I feel like it's because I don't have my makeup done. I feel like when it's just this and I am not really like put together at all, because I feel like it doesn't look too bad. It's just like I don't look in the best condition to have it on. So we're gonna fix that. I'm pretty sure that this was running you a good like $30-40, and I got 3 for free. For my brother to get his ear pierced. They were like, oh, you can get 20% off if you buy something else. And I was like, does it matter what it is? She said no. I literally just grabbed the nearest thing to me. I was like, if I can save a little extra money, I'll buy it. But this biatch was $8. Somebody explain this shiznai to me. I didn't realize until she scanned it and the friggin' number came up as $7.99. I said, excuse me?
I beg your pardon. Sorry.
You know how many of these I can get at Dollar Tree? You know how many of these I already have and don't use? But you out here charging me $8 for this? Are you serious? Like, is she serious? I got another Glueless wig off Amazon. I did this impulsively. I did this for no particular reason whatsoever. I just decided that I wanted a new wig. It was $40 something because it was a $15 coupon. Because it was a sponsored wig. If you want to save, get the sponsored wigs, because more than likely they're going to give you money off, so don't trust the actual price. So it comes with eyelashes. You didn't get a whole goodie kit. I was in shock. I was like, wow. I don't know if we're going back to being 9 in elementary school, but they give you these like pretty like kitty flower pins. For those of you who are eyelash baddies, you get two of like the eyelash spoolie things. Or I guess I could use them on my eyebrows. Then get a wig band. And it always amazes me when Glueless companies send you wig bands, because it's like, so do you in time for me to go down? What was that what you're trying to say? You get a satin scrunchie. Then you get their business card. And lastly, you know, you get your good old ball cap. It claims to be 100% virgin, and it's 22 inches. At the pre-cut lace. You know how long I've been trying to get one that actually looks like this? Because every time they say they come pre-cut, they just do it straight across. Like the inside part that has like the grip on it and have the band. Let's slide her on, I guess. Oh no. Let me tint it real quick at the Ruby Kisses. For basically since I started doing hair, because that's how everybody else use it. It is good. I'm just gonna use the darkest on everything, because it's like, yep, indeed. Where is the lace? You know what they say? What lace? Like, I just don't know if I'm not getting the same wigs that all the influencers are getting, but the ones that I'm getting aren't glueless at all. It's like they always like to film from back here, because it's like, yeah, back here you can say what lace, it's glueless. Then you come up close and it's like, oh hi. Let me go get my melting spray real quick. Extra hold melting spray. Go ahead and you spray some on your finger. So now you just tap it on your lace. There she is. It's crazy because it's like the first video I ever uploaded was a wig video. I do just think that's because it's like I don't have anything on, so it looks weird. Because from here it doesn't look too bad.